guys, it's me, Cute Renee, here with another video. And guess what mukbang I'm doing today? Salad mukbang from Subway. And I got my croutons, a fork, some chips, and something special for myself. I got me a cookie, a chocolate chip cookie. And they even warm them for you too. They're really nice. I'm excited to eat my salad before I go out. So, how's everybody doing today? I'm doing good. I got chicken, rotisserie chicken in my salad. Lettuce, pickles. I don't know. I like pickles, but I didn't get a sandwich, so I'm gonna improvise on the shenanigans I put in my salad. I got some chips. Not a lot of chips in here, but I'm only gonna eat a couple. So, how's everybody's day going? I'm going good. Going out tonight. Might be in Stamford, Connecticut tonight. Eating some good old-fashioned Buffalo Wild Wings, you know. I might vlog, so if you see me out, say hi. You know. I have nothing else to do. I'm excited. Real excited. You want to see my salad? It's really good. It's really yummy. Look at that. I'm on a healthy kick right now, so kind of just enjoying eating my salad. Ooh, yummy salad. Afternoon. Well, I started talking to this guy. He's really cute. It's different. I haven't dated in a while. I haven't interacted. But I don't even think we're dating. I think we're just talking to each other. Just seeing how everything goes, you know. I really actually like that because, you know, it's hard out here to meet people. It kind of makes me feel like I'm young again, you know. This is really good. Kind of excited though to be going out, you know. I want to meet new people. So, you know, that's usually what's going on with me. Work is good. Hopefully, I will be moved up or they would put me in a head teacher position, which I would really like. Honestly, making more money is really the only thing I would rather be doing. I can figure out school from there. You know. Income? Yummy. If you wonder why I keep moving the camera, is because I'm doing my YouTube channel on my phone until I get my camera and my tripod. So I'm gonna have to improvise. I'm just starting out on YouTube, so it's not like I have money. But I hope like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Because I really want to get up there, you know. I've been eating good the last 2 weeks. I lost 5 pounds, which I'm doing a really good job. What I usually do when I eat my salad, when I usually prep, I try to find things that I like to eat, because I'm not like, I don't like bananas. And I try to go do a lot of walking. I barely eat salad. You have to be in the mood to eat salad all the time. I don't like judgmental people. Like, you don't know me, you don't know my struggle, you don't know why I'm the way that I am, you know? Yesterday, I did Chipotle. But I was in line. I have to go there, get my food. And this lady was just sitting there next to me, and she looked at me, and she didn't want to sit next to you and sit next to me. I don't know why. And she kind of just watched me as I got my food. And, you know, and I was explaining to my friend, I was like, yo, I don't like when people judge. You don't know me and keep looking at me. It's not cool. I know I'm plus size. And she was looking at me because she was like my natural beauty, which was nice. Thank you very much. It's hard though. I don't judge nobody, but for you to be staring at me, like literally staring at me, and I'm looking behind myself to make sure you're not staring at the person behind me, it's beyond me. I want to go up to me like, hi, how are you doing? You like my hair? You know, friends always say, kill them with kindness. Alright, so getting back to my diet and what I eat. I just started using these GNC shakes. They're called Lean Shake. They have a variety of different ones. There's chocolate, vanilla, I think mocha chocolate, mocha or something like that. I bought cookies and cream. It's so good. I got, well, you're supposed to mix with water, but I think water's so like bland. I mix mine with milk, but I get lactose milk. I drink that in the morning, early morning. And I work kids, so I gotta be on the level, down on the level, get up on the level, all that. So while they're having a snack, I won't have anything because I already ate my shake. Well, I'll wait a while. And then by the time we went to the bathroom, had circle time, whatever. Then, alright. I'm gonna go to the gym with them, and play with them for a while. Then, after that, I'll have a snack. Now, my snacks range from fruit, or I have a rice cake. I know everybody like, oh, rice cakes are like solid styrofoam. They are like styrofoam. So, I'd probably do that. And for some reason, I like it. Now, for some reason, I just eat it. Then after that, I wait all the way until 12 to eat lunch. You know, the other day I made some sweet potato. Like I baked it in a microwave. I'm really not a humongous like oven person. Like I'll bake, but I would rather just use the oven. I mean microwave. Well, I found a recipe on Tasties. Is an app that you can get on your phone. You know, you see it on like Facebook and stuff. And all these different videos you can get. So I just kind of like do it to that extent. But I don't copy it like word for word. I like substitute things. And I got some rotisserie chicken that was already made. Put a little I put a little barbecue sauce on it, like shredded it like pulled pork. Put it on the sweet potato and then ate it. And I didn't want sour cream or anything like that. I just ate it with the barbecue. It was so good. It tasted so good. Because sometimes my stomach doesn't like it. Sometimes, you know, like depending on what it is, I don't want to try a lot of different things because I have a lot of allergies and stuff. I'm gonna go. I've been drinking a lot of water. I'm the type of person where if it's hot outside, like really hot and you're sweating, I drink cold water. Now if it's already been, like you have a machine at home that you drink the water. Now, after a while, wait for a little while. Once it's like cooled down a little bit, I'll drink it all day. Well, hot. I'm not. When it's like really, really hot or it's cool in the morning, I'm not drinking water like that. But when it starts to get, I start getting thirsty, that's what I'll drink. Occasionally, I'll have a soda once in a while. I don't drink Pepsi or Coke. I usually just drink like Fanta, strawberry, not sponsored by any of the places that I mentioned. But oh my bad. These are good. The salt is not good. I have 180 milligrams of salt, and they're 100 calories, 140 calories. But I also like Pringles, lightly salted. Those feel like you're not even eating anything with salt on them. They're actually that good. Not sponsored, but wouldn't mind. You know, sometimes you still want to live your life and eat what you want. Like when you go out with your friends, you want to have a little cheat day. Have one thing that's on the menu. If you want to have a piece of cake and you know having that whole cake is gonna mess you up, have half of it. Give it to the other half of your friend or something, or save it for later. Or when you get home, if you have your boyfriend or girlfriend, you give it to them. You know, don't deprive yourself from eating. And that's the one thing that me and Monroe Rose try to remind everybody is that I'm not going to starve myself to diet. I'm going to enjoy my food, you know? Depending what it is, I'm going to enjoy every last bit of it. I enjoyed my Chipotle yesterday, and I'm enjoying my Subway now. And then later on, I'm going to have Buffalo Wild Wings, and I'll be there with you guys there. Actually, you'll see a whole different side of me, probably. I'll be all dolled up, my face and makeup and all that. But, I'm not going to starve myself for nobody, but I am going to eat, like, smart, you know? But when you go on vacation, it's different. Vacation, I'm going to have my best life. And, I'm not going to eat or overeat because my body's already gotten used to eating small portions. So when I go out to eat, I always ask for, like, another plate that I can put some of my food on so I'm not eating out. Like eating a lot. This salad, they only put a little bit of dressing on it, so it's not that bad. But you gotta enjoy the body that you're in every day. I enjoy mine, that's for sure. So, I'm gonna finish my lunch. I'm gonna finish my chips. Here's my cookie. I don't want to waste it all. It's so good. Yum. Not bad. I'm gonna save it for later. And I don't have a sweet tooth right now. But I got my nails done. I got my feet done. Today, I will show you, but I didn't clean my room yet. But please like, subscribe, comment what you want to see me do next. What you want me to talk about? If you want to do another Q&A with Monroe Rose, check out her channel too, because, you know, girl popping. We'll be back for another video. We're doing challenges soon. You know, we're getting ourselves situated for the year, you know, for the next couple days, seeing what we want to do next. But I am gonna vlog tonight, so don't worry. I'm vlogging tonight. You're gonna see me living my best life, having fun. Let's get to. Ooh, you want a pickle? Pickle. Okay. Is there anything else you want to know? What other type of like food recipes you want to know? Don't forget to hit up my Snapchat and my Instagram. Oh, that's Instagram. You know my Instagram. It's Cute Renee 12. Snapchat C Renee 2020. This is me, and I'm out. Peace.